Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nick Invest, and on this channel I'm going to be talking about everything business, finance, stocks, crypto, anything business related, and just financial literacy in general. Now in this video I'm basically going to be talking about the 3 ways to prepare yourself financially for 2024, because 2024 is around the corner. So I want to give my opinion on the 3 best ways to prepare for 2024. So now, one of the first ways to prepare yourself for 2024 is to make sure you know how to budget your money and save. Save your money is very important. You need to have an emergency savings, just in case if anything happens. Have about at least 6 months to a year of savings. And when you get paid, try to put away at least 10% of your paycheck if you can. It's very important, especially in these times that we're living in right now. There's a lot going on, and cost of food, food, gas, rent, everything is going up. So you need to have that cushion, just so you feel more safe, just about the current economy and things of that nature. So that's number one, is know how to manage your money and have emergency savings. All right, now the second way that you can prepare yourself for 2024 is by learning how to invest your money. Learn how to make your money work for you, right? So you can use things as the stock market, real estate, cryptocurrencies, things of that nature. You need to start making your money work for you. You worked hard for your money. Now you need to start putting your money to work for you. The stock market, on average, if you put it in an index fund, over the last 100 years, can give you about a 10% return over the long term. Real estate has made the most millionaires out of any asset class, so that's another way you can go. And crypto is a more newer investment class. It's more riskier, more volatile, but there's a lot of money to be made. A lot of millionaires were made from crypto, so that is another route that you can go. And that would be my second reason and second way on how you can prepare yourself for 2024. Learn how to make your money work for you. You work hard for your money, so now make your money work hard for you. All right, now the third way that you can prepare yourself for 2024 is by learning a high income skill. Yes, learn a high income skill. Start increasing your income, whether you start a business, you get a higher paying job, whatever it is, get a raise at your job, work overtime, do what you can to increase your income. This is going to be very, very important, because now once you start increasing your income, you can have more money to invest into things, put away to savings, things of that nature. It's just going to make your life a whole lot easier once you start making more money. So that's very, very important. Make sure you try to increase your income, by taking courses, things of that nature. And yeah, that is the third way to prepare yourself for 2024, is increase your income. All right, now I wanted to give a bonus way to financially prepare yourself for 2024, and that's by just keeping up with the news, looking at things that are trending, things of that nature, keeping aware of what's going on in the markets, things of that nature. If anything happens, just be on the news, watch what's going on, be aware of your surroundings and what's going on. That's gonna definitely help you prepare for 2024. If anything happens, whether it's market crashes, things of that nature, you can take advantage and hopefully try to make money from those crashes and take advantage of those opportunities. Like Warren Buffett said, he said, be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. So if you see a lot of fear in the market, look at that as an opportunity to make money. And yeah, that is the last way to prepare yourself for 2024. Times are getting rough, things are getting expensive, a lot of things going on, wars and all kinds of things. So you need to financially prepare yourself and your families for the future and for next year. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope to leave a like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think, any ideas and things of that nature that you want me to talk about. And yeah, I'll see you in another video. Take care.